let's start with Hindi. Open your Hindi book. Hindi बड़े अक्षर. Okay. What we have to do? हे आपण ऑलरेडी इंग्लिशमध्ये केलेलं आहे. ओके. सो लेट्स डू दिस. स्टँडिंग लाईन फ्रॉम अप टू डाऊन. From up to down, from up to down, from up to down. Okay. Similarly, you have to complete this. Okay. Then we have to draw sleeping line. Sleeping line. Open page number 3. Here we have to draw a slanting line. Okay. We have to start from up to down. From up to down. From up to down. From up to down. Okay. From up to down. From up to down. From up to down. Similarly. From up to down, from up to down, from up to down. Now here also we have to draw a slanting line, but this time opposite direction. From up to down, 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 from up to down. Okay. Similarly. ओके, जे राहिलेलं आहे स्टुडंट ते तुम्हाला कंप्लीट करायचं आहे. ओके स्टुडंट, ओपन पेज नंबर 4. हियर वी हॅव टू ड्रॉ दिस पॅटर्न फ्रॉम डाऊन टू अप, अप टू डाऊन, फ्रॉम डाऊन टू अप टू डाऊन, डाऊन टू अप टू डाऊन, सिमिलरली. ओके Similarly, you have to complete these 2 lines. Then next, here from up to down, down to up to down, down to up to down, down to up. Okay. Then similarly you have to complete this. Okay, half circle, then again half circle. Next, small half circle, then again small half circle. Okay, small half circle, then again small half circle. Here also. Then you have to complete these 2 lines. Then here also we have to draw half circle, half circle. Then you have to complete this. Okay, we have to draw half circle. Okay, let's do this. Half circle, half circle, half circle, similarly. Okay, then you have to complete this. Then full circle. Okay, let's draw full circle. Okay, similarly you have to draw, we have to draw this pattern. Okay, in this manner. We have to start from down, then up, circle, then down, then circle, then again up, circle, then down, circle, and then up. Okay, similarly start from down, then circle, then again down, then circle, then again up, circle, then again down, circle, and this here. Okay, similarly. We have to start from bottom, then circle, then again bottom, then circle, then again up, circle, then again down, circle. Okay, down, up, circle, down, circle, up, circle, down, circle. Yes, similarly you have to draw this. Okay. Then you have to draw this. Okay, then there is S curve, we have to draw S curve. Okay, so let's do this. Half circle, again half circle, half circle, then opposite half circle, half circle, then opposite half circle. Okay, similarly you have to draw this S curve. Similarly you have to draw this. Okay, here we have to draw a pattern. Let's do this. Okay, we have to start from bottom, then half circle, then again down, down, then half circle, again down. Okay, down, half circle, down. Similarly you have to complete these two lines. Then here from up, half circle, then again up, half circle, then again up. This is a U shape. Okay, we have to draw U shape. Okay, similarly you have to draw these three lines. Okay, we have to draw this is the last. Okay, we have to start from bottom, then up, then again bottom, then up, and then again bottom. Okay, down to up, and again down. From down to up, circle, again down, then again up, circle, and again down. Similarly. Okay, similarly you have to complete this. Then again here we have to start from up, then down, then again up, and then again down, then again up. You have to start from up, circle, again up, circle, then again up. Okay, ओके. इन नेक्स्ट लेक्चर वी विल स्टार्ट विथ स्वर. आपण स्वर लिहायला शिकणार आहोत. ओके. नाव स्टुडंट, आज आपण इथे थांबणार आहोत. येणाऱ्या आपल्या अपकमिंग हिंदी लेक्चरमध्ये आपण स्वरविषयी शिकणार आहोत. ठीक आहे. ओके स्टुडंट, बाय, टेक केअर.